Mathematical Studies Quadratic Algebra a word problem that we need to turn into a quadratic equation and we need to solve. So when the square of a number is increased by 1, the result is 4 times the original number, and we need to find that number. So we'll start off by calling the unknown number x. It says when the square of this unknown x, so when x squared is increased by 1, when 1 is added to it, the result is 4 times the original number. The result is equals 4 times the original number, which was x. So there we are, we've made an equation. Now we need to turn it into a quadratic equation by subtracting 4x from both sides. So now we've got x squared minus 4x plus 1 is now equal to 0. Now at this point, and you can refer to my previous video on completing the square, I'm going to actually use completing the square to solve this. If I now subtract 1 from both sides, I get x squared minus 4x is equal to minus 1. Now the left hand side is in exactly the format that I can use to complete the square. All I have to do to complete the square is put x from the x squared at the front, subtract needs to be there, and half coefficient of x is which is 4 over half, it is 2, so we put that in there, put the brackets around it and put a square there. Now all we need to do from that is just have a look at what it is that we've got. So what's different about this to where we started, which was x squared minus 4x. So we'll expand the bracket, x multiplied by x gives us x squared. X multiplied by minus 2 is minus 2x, and move 2 up, and so it's minus 4x. And again, this part is the same as that part, but we've now got to multiply minus 2 by minus 2, which is plus 4. So in other words, by completing the square, we've got 4 more than we started with. So we can write x squared minus 4x as x minus 2 all squared, as long as we remember that this is 4 more than this. So therefore, the right hand side is going to be 4 more than the right hand side as well. So we're going to add the 4 to it, and remember we've got minus 1 as well. Now we can simplify. So now we have x minus 2 all squared is equal to 3. Square root both sides, and we've got x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. Add 2 to both sides, and we find the value of x. X equals add 2 to both sides, 2 plus or minus the square root of 3. Therefore we can conclude that the original number was of x was either x equals 2 plus square root of 3, or x equals 2 minus the square root of